Today we will begin an important topic called data. Data is one of the most valuable resources in the modern digital world. Artificial intelligence, machine learning, business analytics, and modern technology all depend on data. But what exactly is data? Data refers to raw and unprocessed information or facts that are collected and stored. This information becomes meaningful after analysis and interpretation. Data helps organizations make decisions, solve problems, identify patterns, and generate insights. Today, data is used in almost every field including business, healthcare, finance, education, science, and technology. There are different types of data. The first type is numerical data. Numerical data consists of numbers and quantitative information. Examples include sales figures, temperatures, exam scores, and financial amounts. Numerical data is widely used in statistics, forecasting, and mathematical analysis. The second type is text data. Text data includes words, sentences, emails, articles, social media posts, and documents. This is one of the most common forms of data in the digital world. Text data is important for communication and natural language processing systems. The third type is image data. Image data represents visual information using pixels. Examples include photographs, medical scans, satellite images, and facial recognition systems. AI systems use image data for computer vision and object detection. The fourth type is audio data. Audio data contains sound information such as speech, music, voice recordings, and environmental sounds. Audio data is used in speech recognition, virtual assistants, and music streaming systems. The fifth type is video data. Video data combines multiple image frames to create motion and visual sequences. Examples include movies, surveillance footage, online streaming, and video conferencing. Video analysis is important in AI, security systems, and media platforms. The sixth type is geospatial data. Geospatial data relates to locations and geographic information. Examples include GPS systems, maps, satellite positioning, and navigation systems. This data is used in transportation, urban planning, and environmental monitoring. Data can also be categorized based on structure. The first category is structured data. Structured data is organized neatly into rows and columns. Examples include spreadsheets, databases, payroll systems, and accounting software. Structured data is easy to store, search, and analyze. The second category is unstructured data. Unstructured data does not follow a fixed format. Examples include emails, social media posts, images, videos, and audio recordings. Most digital data today is unstructured. The third category is semi-structured data. Semi-structured data combines features of both structured and unstructured data. It has some organization but does not fully follow a rigid structure. Now let's discuss data sources. Data can come from many different sources. One major source is operational systems. These include ERP systems, CRM software, payroll systems, and transaction systems. Another important source is social media. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, and X generate huge amounts of user data every day. Public data is another source. Governments and organizations publish public information such as economic reports, demographic statistics, and research data. Data can also come from sensors, IoT devices, surveys, questionnaires, web streaming systems, and server logs. Modern organizations generate massive amounts of data continuously. Because of this, data governance becomes very important. Data governance refers to the policies and processes used to ensure data quality, security, integrity, and proper management. Good data governance helps organizations use data responsibly and effectively. Another important concept is data ingestion. Data ingestion is the process of collecting and importing data from different sources into a system. There are 4 key steps in data ingestion. First, collection. Raw data is gathered from different sources. Second, transport. The data is moved into storage systems. Third, processing. The data is cleaned and transformed. Fourth, storage. The processed data is stored in databases or repositories for future analysis. Data ingestion helps organizations make data accessible and useful for analytics and decision-making. In conclusion, data is the foundation of modern technology and artificial intelligence. Understanding data types, sources, governance, and ingestion is becoming increasingly important for students, professionals, and businesses. Because in today's digital world, those who understand data can make smarter decisions and create greater value.